In this problem, what we have to do, we have to solve the problem, the basic equation, which is x square root of x is equals to 1. What we have to do, we have to understand the very basic idea of algebra. So what we can do, if we squaring in both side, indeed x square root of x whole square is equals to 1 whole square. So here what you can write, x square times x is equals to 1. Here what you can write down, we can write down here x cube equals to 1, or 1 cube is same. So we could write down x cube minus 1 cube is equals to 0. So we know a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b. We have to have the factor as we can determine the value of x. So here a square plus ab plus b square, right? So we can write down x minus 1 and then x square plus x dot 1 means x plus 1 square is equals to 0. So the product theorem, a dot b is equals to 0. So either a equals to 0, and of course or b equals to 0, right? Indeed, we can write down x minus 1 equals to 0, or x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So here we have very straightforward, that is x is equals to 1. One solution we already found, and this is actually a complex looks like equation. Indeed, we can't do the middle term. So we know the equation a x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Indeed, x equals to, we can write down minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? And in this equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, and c also 1. So we can write down x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root 1 square minus 4 1 1 over 2 1, right? So we can write down minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square minus 4. So we can write down square root of minus 3, which is actually a complex format, and this is 2. Okay. So the value of x, this is actually the complex term, right? Complex. Or we can simply simplify that, minus 1 plus minus, we know square root of minus 1 equals to I, the complex term. So here we can write down minus 1 dot square root of 3 over 2. So here we can write down minus 1 plus minus square root of 3, and square root of minus 1 is I over 2. So we have the solution for x for the complex term, x equals to either minus 1 plus square root of 3I over 2 and minus 1 minus square root of 3I over 2. So the solution for x is equals to 1 and minus 1 plus minus 3I over 2. So this is the answer, right? Now it's time to check whether our answer is correct or not. Indeed, what we can do, we can plug in the value for x is equals to 1, right? Now let's plug in this value here. So the value of x is 1 dot square root of x mean 1. So what we have got? We have got 1 dot 1. So this is 1. And the right side also 1. So the value for x equals to 1, this is the correct answer. As well as obviously the complex term, this is also the correct answer. Let's try at home. If any question, please comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.